472 eastbound with a blue passenger car. 833 Boy Paul David Sound, 833 Boy Paul David Sound, Tennessee. I'm 1037, 273. TVI, they're off in the ditch in the trees, 1016. Right before Lehigh Scales, eastbound. Give me several units.
10-4.
Looks like they're off on foot, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, they're running towards 70. Let county know and West Memphis know towards 70 right here at this wooded patch.
10-4.
Don't move, I'll shoot you. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. I will shoot you. I will shoot you. Let me see your hands. I will shoot you. Stop. I got 4 black males, dark clothing. One of them looks like you don't have anything. Right towards 70. Right towards 70 at this wooded patch right here. Right before the Lehigh Scales. I'm trying to make sure there's nobody in the vehicle. Looks like there's a county unit out with me. It looks like it rolled or something. Hey, get units to 70. Can you let West Memphis know and y'all's units know? Highway 70, there's like 4 black males. Dark clothing. One of them looks like he's naked. Highway 70, right across from us. Dark clothes. 4 black males. Let's see, there's nobody in the car. I'm just trying to make sure nobody got ejected or anything. Did you let locals know? Well, there's a county unit going over there now. It looks like they ran towards the east across these woods. Can't see shit. Son of a bitch.